Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to text mask in Premiere Pro. First, place your text layer directly above the video footage you want to mask. Next, select your text layer in the timeline. Go to the Effect Controls panel and find the Opacity section. Here, you'll see tools to create a mask. Choose the free Draw Bezier tool to carefully outline your text. This creates the initial mask shape. Once your initial mask is drawn, you'll likely see the video outside the text. To fix this, simply check the inverted box under the mask properties in Effect Controls. This will reveal your video inside the text. Now, play with the mask feather setting, perhaps around 10 to 20 pixels, to soften those edges. You can also use mask expansion to slightly grow or shrink the masked area for a perfect fit. For more dynamic effects, you can animate your mask path. Set keyframes for the mask path property to make your mask follow a moving subject in your video. Another powerful technique is using a track matte key. Create a solid color layer, draw your mask on it, and then use it as a track matte for your video. This offers greater control and allows for more intricate reveals, especially when combining multiple mask shapes. To add even more flair, try animating the text layer itself. You can keyframe its position, scale, or rotation to make the mask text appear or move dynamically. Once you're happy with your text mask, it's time to export your masterpiece. Choose a high-quality format like H.264 for excellent results. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This will ensure your mask text looks fantastic in its final form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.